Albert brought Sophia some food. She's still coughing, but she's better. So, she's pooping good. I saw her poop. It was solid. Didn't it, girl? You so pretty. She said, Daddy, I love that corn. She said it's so good. Corn and sweet feed and grains. She said all of them mixed together is so good. I'm glad she's not on the bottle. She wouldn't take the bottle at all. We tried several times. Did you take the bottle in the house? She said, I'm sorry, cow. She's been walking around and playing. She said, I was taking a nap. Daddy said she needs to eat, so we brought some food around here. So she's eating. Might give her some cord tomorrow just to be safe. Make sure she's not coughing or breathing hard because of respiratory problem. Need to take dog's water pan back around there too. Just push it up under her head so she don't waste it. She's getting it all on the ground.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It would draw rats and everything else. See, she's still breathing kind of heavy. In the morning, I'll make her some cord.
Just dehydrated with all the dust and shit.
She said they had me on that trailer.
Yeah. Drink some water, she'll be good.
See? I'm worried about her respiratory system though. And that cord will fix it if it is. I'll catch it before it's too late. She might have got like a cough from riding on that in the cool air in the morning.
Okay.
She said, okay. She said, give me some love. She said, that's so sweet.
It's your bowl. It's your bowl.
You can put it over there by the water dish.
What do you want?
She said, I want you to love me. She said, scratch me, love me. She said, rub my belly, I lay down. She said, Mama had me laying down this morning.
Get you some water.
Hey, you up?
Water.
She said, I'm up. Gotta get some water.
Get some water, y'all.
What do you want me to love you? What are you wagging your tail for? I got that big clump of poop off of her butt. She lost her hair from it, but she'll be all right.
Get some water. Make a turn.
Go get you some water. Turn. She knows where the water is. She wants to be scratched. You want to be scratched? Come go this way. Come go this way. Get some water. Water's over there. Go that way. Go that way. Good girl. Keep going, sister. Keep it going. Daddy put you some fresh water right there. There you go. Drinking some water. You don't want no water? She's not wagging my tail. She said, I want to go in that backyard to eat all that grass. You try to get the stuff off her butt. I got a lot of it off while I was sitting there. She let me. So, I know. It's all right. Come on. Pick this stuff up like that. Please. Let's go see the babies. We ain't seen the babies today. On Slim. Hit me, Betty. I see. She said, I'm already flushed. That limb needs to be broke off. That limb right there that you're standing in front of. Hey, babies. What y'all doing? Being bad? Miss Betty said, what you doing with that cow? She said, what that cow doing here? That cow come here like you come here. Cow want to be loved too. There's a sock right here for some odd reason in the middle of the yard. I really don't even think I want to know why. Huh? You want to move? Go eat lunch? What do you mean? I don't know what you're saying. Go somewhere and eat lunch?